What's going on, guys? Patrick here, and welcome back to another video. I wanted to give some context before this video went ahead and got started here. We did do a residential window job, and they had really high windows. They were as high as about 20 feet in the air, so it did require us to have double layer scaffolding. And we are installing Solar Guard Slate 20 on this. Beautiful film, great film. The problem with this particular window is that it was about 25 to 30 inches wide, but it was about 110, 120 something inches long. So much longer than what we could do solo, just because I physically couldn't reach the bottom half of all on top and vice versa. So what we ended up doing is we ended up recording it because I thought it was a pretty cool installation and how we were able to do it and being able to work together. And basically I did the top half of the installation and Zachary did the bottom half of the installation. He's on the first tier of the scaffolding and I'm on top of the second tier of scaffolding. So we just decided to go ahead and record it, and then I went ahead and put them side by side. It kind of looks like a really cool video to me. If you guys have ever done scaffolding work before, then you'll probably get a kick out of this. And if you've never done scaffolding work, just fair warning, double layer scaffolding all the way up with outriggers. It does get a little shaky up there. It does get a little nerve-wracking, and you're gonna need your sea legs. I've been doing this for a long time and a while, so I'm kind of used to it up there. But if you've never done it and you've seen this video and you're like, all right, I'm gonna start doing that, just fair warning, it gets you have to get used to it for sure. But I hope you guys like the video, and here we go. Yeah, just grab the small one.
What's up?
Once you get up there, make sure to move that tarp over.
Okay. Good?
Yeah.
Good.
Okay. You just give me 30 seconds of snap blades now. That way we don't have to do it.
Is that not good for video?
No, I don't care about that. We're going right now. They're gonna see all of this stuff.
Oh, that's terrifying.
But better snap them, have them ready, then wait. Let me snap a blade real quick.
Stay ready and gotta get ready.
You good?
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah. How far can you reach? Okay, don't lean too far. Every time you step, this whole thing moves. Okay, so I mean left to right, so just be careful.
Okay.
Get closest, get your, oh, because you have the bar right there.
Yeah.
Yep, that's where you want to be.
Yeah.
All right.
Just trying to survive.
Do like this to the edges, because the paint over there. Yeah.
You gonna do that now or wait till you get down here?
You can start doing it now. I'm not dropping this. But if you don't do this, all the painted edges will lift.
Hold on.
Good?
Yep. There's like a giant glob of paint in the bottom right corner.
Yeah. just dig out the corners afterwards just to make sure.
Yeah.
Some of the corners had like a big blob of paint in the corner, and I just cut them so it's a 90 degree.
Yeah.
You good?
Yep.
So I keep bending over. It clears you, but when I start bending my knees, it hits you.
Yeah, it's a real hazard.
It's my bad. That's on me, fam.
That's not on me.
All right, cut. We're trimming left side.
Left side?
Left side. Factory
Right.
side's on the right.
Get it close to the bottom.
Yeah. Are you gonna pull the liner?
I can try to pull. If you want to go up, we can try.
Yeah.
Or do you just want to pull it down?
I'll drop it and hold it up, and then see if you can get the liner off.
And pull up
And
towards
yeah,
you.
and I'll see if I can pull the liner.
It's up to you.
I won't be able to pull the liner off until it's on the glass.
Yeah.
But at least you'll be able to
I can get it.
line up. Yeah, I know you can get it, and that way because the edge of the liner is going to mess with the edge of the film if you're trying to line up the bottom. It looks like it'll whip you. All right. Nice and wet. Don't want anything tacking. I'm gonna move real quick. All right, I'm not moving from here. Ready?
Born ready.
Line it up right side, cut and left.
That was my face. I can't get the liner
Okay, hold on.
because it didn't unroll all the way.
Hold on.
No, you're good.
All right, then
Just place.
No, you're gonna have to unroll it. Good job. Now take the liner off. And get out from under it. There you go. I'm not gonna be able to touch it right now.
Oh, okay.
So now get under it. Get under the liner so you can line it up. Give it a little blow. There we go.
Yeah, I'm down here.
Okay.
I'm not even gonna try to blow that. That ain't gonna work.
All right. Stay steadfast. Hold on.
Mm-hmm.
No zippers. Coming down to you.
I got it.
I'm gonna dry a little bit. I gotta wet it. Hold on. Give me a second. You're good on the bottom?
Yeah, I'm good on the bottom.
You good on the right?
Hold on.
Looks good to me.
Yeah, I'm good on the right.
All right, let me start tacking this part up, and
Yeah,
then you
I'm
can
just
start.
gonna hold it.
Yeah. Good thing the GoPros are waterproof. Hello. You good?
Yep.
I'm gonna start attacking.
Go for it.
All right, give me 30 seconds. Can you reach that?
Yep.
Okay. Let me know when you can reach on this left side.
I can reach. Oh, my eye.
Water?
Straight in the eyeball.
Oh.
It's just water, so I'll survive, but.
Lipping.
Good catch. Oh, my lanta.
You good?
I'm just afraid of your hose smacking me in the back of
Oh,
the head.
I'm sorry. Sorry. Okay, here we go.
Get your cut and then I'll finish up.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. That's like literally the perfect height.
How'd that work?
Oh, good.
It's hot up here.
Yeah, it's hotter up here. All right. That's as far as I got.
You're good, I can get the rest. Just drop it and I can tear it.
Did you say out of film?
No, I bonked my head on top of the scaffolding.
Oh, careful.
Thanks.
Careful.
I'm moving over.
Gotcha. That's all I got.
You're good, I can finish it out.
Frame's like lipped slightly right here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna trim it just a baby here. Almost done. Oh, maybe I should squeegee this side. It might help.
You didn't squeegee?
I didn't squeegee. I squeegeed the left side of the art. Not the right. Fucking beautiful.
Oh. Damn hose.
Damn hose. Teamwork makes the dream work.
I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that.
Yeah. Something else.
You know, for a day after a hurricane, it looks pretty damn good out there.
The day of the hurricane looked pretty good too.
Yeah, the day of.
Until it wasn't.
Double check everything, make sure we got no bubbles, no nothing, no air.
I mean, yeah, I look pretty good down here.
Yeah.
Good?
Good. Nice work.
Ready to climb down?
Yeah.
You want me to stay down here while you swing around?
No, we're gonna have to shift over anyways, just recenter this.
Well, we gotta climb down anyways.
Yeah.
Yeah. So do you want me to stay here while you
Yeah.
swing?
Yeah, we don't do that together.
Yeah, that's what I just said.
Look at me. Come
What's
here.
up?
Look at me.